Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunia. Today I am at Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Professor Hiren Dave sir. He is a head of department in Science and Humanity. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia.
Yeah, welcome, Ruby.
So start with the questionnaire session sir.
Alright.
My first question is, when you first came to Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you?
Fine. So then I have to go back to the past when I started around 2006 when I joined the institution. At that time, the institution is having its big name in the whole North Gujarat region, since it's one of the oldest institution running for right from 1950s 60s around, and it's a hub of Visnagar where the great Sakarchand Patel Dada, what we call, he established the schools and whole education setup. Around 2000, maybe our college got established, and I joined around 2006. So when I joined, the college or institution having its own name, and that is the strength of the college. So I come to know about it with the passage of time. So it's a 2020 right now, and I've been part of all this journey. So what I see is gradually so many other colleges become the part of this whole NSVKM, what we call North Nutan Sarva Vidyalaya Kedawani Mandal. Now it is embarked a journey of being a university. So what is the dream of Sakarchand Patel Dada? That all the remote area students who are running short of places, because what happens is, if there is a no higher education institution around, people flock to the cities. And it was his dream that the whole Visnagar or this vicinity of NSVKM should be such that people from city come here to impart education. I think that is happening right now with the advent of university from last 3 years, and we are learning everyday new things. So it's a huge journey, but I think the vision is expanding in itself.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So coming to the next question, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
Yeah. Now, actually, diploma, we are having a diploma college called Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College, and there are so many colleges from last 10 years. The government is having a full hand. So so many institutions are happening around and flocking around. The thing is that we are the oldest in a way. From 2000 we are here and we have a very well qualified staff. From the day I joined to day even today, most of the staff we have retained, and they are well qualified. Plus we have a very amiable and friendly atmosphere at the college. We look at the students from their own perspective. Like whenever any student, like I'm handling the affairs of the first semester, we divide students into 3 different categories. That one student who is a scholar, brilliant, we can score 80% mark. Then there is a different category called middle student, average one. And then there is a third category we call very poor, or who is not coping up with the education. So we impart classes like that, and we give them minute detail and attention to all those students. Likewise, their own kind of learning. So we take care of the student. That is our biggest strength, and we take as personally as possible. And part of education, we are also having different kind of cultural activities and different kind of industrial interaction session. We have a triple I cell, and so we have experienced staff, and we have a people who are looking after affairs. And I think these are the biggest strength, I think, in North Gujarat region.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general or for Swami Sachidanand Polytechnic College specifically?
Yes, that's a very good question, because challenges are keeping up every day. The first thing is the generation of today, with the advent of internet, YouTube, and with the COVID situation, we have this e-learning which is going on from last 6 to 7 months. So this is in itself a challenge for education in school level, at the same time in the higher education. The thing is that now, to bring back student into the classroom with the traditional methodology of a typical chalk and duster class, which itself is a challenging now, because you need to bring something which make them interesting to come to the class. So this is a problem, and this is a problem for most of the institution, where how to bring the student in the class the same traditional way, because everything is available on their fingertips now. So what new things you are doing, or how you make your class engaging and interesting. So far we have started that from last 2-3 years, and we have done audio visual classrooms. We give more practical oriented kind of learning to the students, so that they can actively impart, rather than a teacher is telling them and it's whole lecture seems like a boring conversation for 2-3 hours. So we are not doing that. We changing that scenario, where we give more activity based learning to the students, so they can involve themselves, they learn, and we just become like facilitator between their education. So we are doing that. Apart of that, we are giving them a lot of e-material these days. So even at the home with the COVID fix, we also giving them the materials, PDF copies. Even there are certain other materials already available. So we are doing that. So this is the thing, that the big challenge is to bring back to the classroom and make them involved in the study process. And the second challenge is, I think, to getting them good opportunities for the job. For that, I think we have a very good cell called III cell, and we have this Sanjay Soni sir, which is working very commendably. So that generally, most of the students who pass out from the diploma till last 3 years, we have a good ratio. Almost 80 to 90% of our students got job as soon as they finish their diploma, and the rest of the students then go forward for the degree engineering. So that's our strength, but we are keep improvising for all this challenging, and that's way how we learn.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your college, sir. Thank you for being a part of College Dunia, sir. Thank you.